what's up guys? Just wanted to give you guys a quick update on some parts that came in the mail. So far, we're just waiting on a few extra things, but as of right now, we got the intercooler to come in. It's the Injet intercooler, 2.7, 3.5 EcoBoost. It's a lot stocker. It's a lot thicker than the stock version. And it's all solid aluminum. You know how the ends are usually plastic. This is all solid. It's a lot bigger. It's like almost 50% bigger than stock form. This is the Injet one. 500 on Amazon. Moshimoto has theirs for like anywhere from 8 to 1,000. So I seen a hell of a deal, so I said pick it up. What I like about this one is, like I said, it's all aluminum, and also it has the Injet writing on it that you'll be able to see from the lower front grill, lower grill. So I got that in the mail, and I also ordered a test tire. I'm gonna call it a, order one and see what it looks like. I ordered a Nanking SP7. It's a 295/45 R20. On the truck is stock right now. What is it? 275? Yeah, 275 55/20, and it's really not to suffice, like I said in the previous video. But anyways, this is it right here. It came in the mail. It's kind of a crossbreed, I'm gonna call it, between a all-season and a performance tire. But this is it. This is the thread. As you can see, so I went with the 295, try to get something more wider underneath there, and 45 to give it a little more shorter appearance, to give it a little more, I guess, sport truck look. And plus, also when I do the lowering kit on it, I want to make sure that it's something that is going to fill in the fender well enough, and also give me some clearance for ride height and turning, and make sure there's no bump stop or nothing like that. So those are the two parts that are part and tire that came in. So anyways, like I said, I ordered this tire off of Amazon also. I think it was like 120 something or whatever, delivered to door. The reason why it's a test tire is, some companies say that their tires are, for instance, 195, 295/45, but they're more like a, I don't know, like a 285/50 or a 285/55 or something. So I wanted to make sure and get this and take a look at it, and see, look at it next to the truck and see what I think about it before I just, order a whole new set and see what if I think about it. And I think it'll work. I think it's looking pretty good. So I'm probably going to order 3 other and throw them on here, and go from there. I guess, see how they handle. If they can handle the power, then we'll stick with them. If not, then we'll do something different. So that's pretty much it. That's the update on parts that came in, and anything else happens, I'll let y'all guys know. Thanks, appreciate it. God bless.